Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Many of you guys are asking about this Foldscope projector mode. If you don't know what Foldscope is, go to the playlist there. Links in the description or you can find the iCards. Basically, it's a microscope that fits in your pocket and it's a very cheap microscope alternative. You can find more details about that, video links in the description. Many of you guys are asking about Crash. He's on Mars. Let's call him and let me show you. Here is my tracking device and let me connect you to Crash. Hi Crash, say hi to your fans. How is the research going on? Yeah, fine, that's cool. Come back Crash, come back faster. Many of your fans are waiting here. Okay, bye-bye. With this Foldscope, you can view directly or you can attach to a phone to see on the screen, or you can use it as a projector for group viewing. So this is a versatile microscope. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to use projector mode. I already done a video on complete video about unboxing, Foldscope, everything. Check that video out. And if you have any suggestions or any ideas related to the Foldscope, I'm happy to make those videos. So feel free to comment in the comment box. So let's get started. This video is especially for the people who are looking for a video about Foldscope projector mode and how to set up the things. If you are completely new to Foldscope and want to know more about assembly and other viewing methods, I highly recommend you to watch this video first and come back here. It's very simple if you do it right, and if you're facing any problems with projector mode, this video is going to help you. So watch this video till the very end. For this, you obviously need a Foldscope, a magnetic coupler that's included in the pack, and a light source. In my case, I'm using phone's flash, and a cellophane tape to stick to the coupler. And the white part should face upwards when sticking to the phone. That's it, the Foldscope will automatically stick to the phone. It's that easy. And make sure the yellow part or the opposite side of the lens is going to attach to the smartphone or the flash source. Due to magnets, it can be easily coupled. The only thing you need to do is turn on the flash and point towards the wall. It's too bright outside, so flash is not properly visible. Before you go, make sure your slide is properly inserted, and this is a slide I made with paper, and if you want to make yours, check out this video after watching this video. Links in the description. This is an onion cell slide I made before. Attach it to the phone and point to the wall. Lights off please. Here I have Foldscope with phone flash in my hand. Yeah, onion cells, projector view of microscopic world. Wow, right. You can adjust the focus ramp for clear view. Wait, I have few more samples to show you. Mosquito head. Oh my god. I guess you never seen this big mosquito head before. Fire up the like button guys. And body. Wow. What you want me to show you next? Let me know in the comments. I will make another video. Did you know I took my blood out to look under this microscope? Watch that video hovering on the screen. It will be amazing. That's it for today. Meet you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring infinity.